Today I will show you how to permanently delete an Instagram account. Remember to like, share and follow so that it helps me get this video out to more people. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to be sure to be on your account's main screen. If you are not sure, just tap the bottom right icon for your account. Then tap on Edit Profile. This should take you to your Edit Profile screen. Next, click on the bottom Personal Information Settings tab. Once the Personal Details page comes up, you will then click the Account Ownership and Control section. Now you should be on the Account Ownership and Control page. This is where you can start permanently deleting your account. Tap the Deactivation or Delete tab, then click on the account you want to deactivate or delete. In this example, I just have one account linked. If you have more than one account, you will see all of your Instagram accounts, so choose which the one you want deleted. Click on Delete Account. It will then offer various reasons why you want to delete your account. Choose one. You then will be asked to put in your password and you should be done from there. It may ask if you are sure one more time before you delete. I hope this video was easy to follow. Please like, share and follow for more videos. Thank you.